Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this without using calculator? Where we have square root of 35 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 35 minus square root of 5. So to solve this one, we are going to consider from here as the square root of 35, which we can split it as 7 multiplied by 5 plus the square root of 5 divided by square root of 7 multiplied by 5 minus square root of 5. So we have to consider from this rule that anytime we have square root of a multiplied by b, this is the same thing as the square root of a multiplied by square root of b. So by applying it here, we have the square root of 7 multiplied by the square root of 5 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 7 multiplied by square root of 5 minus square root of 5. And if this is what we have at this stage, so at the numerator we have root 5 that is common. By factoring it out, here we have, so when we divide this one by root 5, we are left with root 7 plus, when we divide this one with root 5, we are left with 1, all in parentheses, everything divided by. So we apply the same process. At the denominator, we have root 5 into bracket of root 7 minus 1. And here we have root 5 cancelled root 5. So for our numerator remains the square root of 7 plus 1 divided by the square root of 7 minus 1. So here is what we get here, but we have to make sure that there is nothing like sort at the denominator. So what to do here is we try to rationalize this. We rationalize the denominator by multiplying this one with the square root of 7 plus 1, and also here we have divided by square root of 7 plus 1. So we have to combine the two numerators together, as we have this as square root of 7 plus 1 in bracket, open bracket, square root of 7 plus 1, all divided by the square root of 7 minus 1, open bracket, square root of 7 plus 1. So here is what we have here. And at the numerator, we have the same thing, that is positive of root 7 plus 1. So when we try to expand that one, we are going to get this result as 7 plus 2 root 7 plus 1. This is what we get, divided by, why the denominator, we have one which is negative and one which is positive. So we cannot do the same thing with what we did with the numerator. So what to do here is, since we have differences in operation, we just multiply the first number with the first number and the second number with the second number here. So we get the same result with when we expand separately. So when we multiply root 7 with root 7, what we get here is 7. Then minus multiplied by plus, that gives us minus. Then 1 multiplied by 1, that gives us 1. And when we proceed, we have 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 2 square root of 7 divided by, this is 6. And again, we can factor out 2 here. By taking out 2, we have 2 into bracket of, here remains 4 plus, and here remains root 7, all divided by, so we can also break this 6 into 2 multiplied by 3. And here we have this cancelled, so that the numerator remains 4 plus square root of 7 divided by 3. Here is the result. And if you really like, we can also write it in this form as 1 divided by 3 into bracket of 4 plus root 7. This is the result, and that's how to do it. I hope we learned something today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new here to this channel, if you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.